Gold and silver declined sharp yesterday. We have seen gold hitting towards 25.80-84 zone, the strongest support here for the day, and silver has also moved significantly lower towards 29.20 levels. What to expect today from the metals? Can we expect a recovery or the crash is again in making? We can look forward to further lows towards 25.50. What is going to be our strategy in order to profit trading gold and silver? We're gonna see with the help of charts and indicators. This is the first update for the day, and the next one will be released before the US session. Do like, share, subscribe, and comment. Press the bell icon. Join the free Telegram channel for live updates and join the channel memberships here on YouTube to support the effort. Let's start first to look into gold, followed with silver. If you look at gold, it was trading with the resistance from the 20 period, declined sharp towards 25.80, and now it is done with the 50% retracement here. 26.20 is going to be one critical level for it to break beyond in order to confirm further bullishness here. The 20 period moving average sitting at 26.20 and then the median at 26.24. If these two levels are taken, we can expect a complete recovery, and only if it trades about 26.40 and 26.50, you can say gold has reversed. Else still the signs are not very much encouraging for the bulls. Be mindful of this. What has happened? A retracement, and now it is starting with the decline. Possibility is there that once it trades below 26.04, we can expect 25.95-96 levels, and if 25.95-96 is there taken, we can look forward to 25.84-80 again. The stock I stick at top. See, MACD has crashed up and it has now hit the bottom. It was trading it with a flat belly. It is converged here, not yet crossed over though. I will wait for a crossover. That will be the only confirmation of further retracement and rise. R is just coming out of the oversold zone here. Coming to the observation is more or less same here on the 2-hour charts. It is possible that what it may do here is the rise, slight retracement, and again a bounce back later in the day cannot be denied. But right now the move is not very much supportive of such a stronger reversal. Remember, it is done with the 50% retracement and now trying to decide a direction here. If you look at the stock ISIC, this is rising. The MACD is still bearish, looking downwards. The RSI is also, see, it has seen significantly extremely lower levels and has recovered. Now trying to sustain just out of this oversold zone here. Coming to 3-hour, only worry point here on the 3-hour charts here is, see, it was outside Bollinger Bands, a reversal sign, first bullish candle, and it is possible that it can deliver a second bullish candle here which can take the gold prices higher. Now see, this is the zone which it needs to break, and I think it is going to be very difficult for gold to break this zone at 26.40-50. Now also look at the formation here. If you see now gold trading about 26 13 14 levels, you can initiate a buying entry, expect 26 18 20 26 25 26, and then we can look forward to further rise towards 26 30 32. Else I will say the momentum or such a strong reversal, the signs of such a strong reversal are missing as of now. Stock ISIC is oversold, trying to recover. The MACD is trading extremely bearish, and it is not that it cannot hit further lows. Last time when it has hit 25.50, see the lows here, and yet again it can move towards this zone. RSI coming out of the oversold zone, and it has posted a very good recovery on the 4. Now look at the 4-hour charts, the drop, sideways movement, the drop, and it can trade sideways. It can wait for the moving average to come down. Now if you connect the dots here, you can find out it is trading in this channel, the top of this channel somewhere here at around 26.30 26.40 zone, and if at all it breaks beyond 26.50, that is a sign of reversal for the day, for the week. It is forming a nice flag here, but I will say still the signs are not very much encouraging for such a strong reversal here. The stock ISIC hitting the oversold zone, trying to bounce back. The MACD is trading bearish. It is not that it cannot hit further lows. If it moves towards this zone, we can see, in fact, see gold trading below 25.50 as well. RSI coming out of the oversold zone here. Coming today. Before we move to daily charts, if you want to learn this art of trading, join my mentorship batch. And if you just want to trade as per the signals, be a part of my signals channel on Telegram. Connect with me, write an email, ping me over Telegram for your queries. And if you're looking forward to a broker which offers you a swap-free account with lowest spreads and no hidden charges, easier transactions and easier withdrawals from across the globe, you can find the recommended broker link also in the channel and video description. Now, when you see the daily chart, say drop, retracement, double top here, and then the drop here. Now, I have mentioned one thing yesterday, that once it comes out of this zone 26.20 26.30, we can see a move towards 25.80. Now it has already seen 25.80 levels. So what's happening? Can we expect it to drop below 2580? Can we expect the prices to move towards 2540, 2550 and 2500 levels? There is a possibility to it, but now the first support levels at 2580-84 needs to be taken for the day, only below which we can expect further bearishness. In fact, we can see 2560, 2540 levels here, and below that 2500 is in sight if it continues to trade bearish from here. But what's happening today? Notice this. It is trying to confine its movement within this channel, and the highs of the channel are now towards 2640, 2650 zone. Second thing is, moving averages have yet again crossed over, and this makes this zone at 2640-50 as a crucial milestone for the day, for the week. Stock stick here is extremely oversold. The MACD has again crossed over, trading bearish. RSI is trying to bounce back. So considering this now, I will recommend a buying entry at 2614 levels. Expect 2618-20 as the first target, 2526 as the next, 3032 as the third, and then the important one at 3840. If these levels are taken, uh, 2650 should also be seen. That is the point at which you can say now the prices have reversed, else the chances for such a strong recovery or strong reversal is less. But yes, I do see that the indicators have come towards an oversold zone, and there is a possibility of a little recovery. 2620, 2526 zone possible, but that should also provide a stronger resistance for gold for further upward movement here. On the downside, yes, you can sell here at 2604, expect 2598, 2600 first target zone, 2590-92 as the second, and then 2584 and 2580 levels. If 2580 is taken today, you can stay short, short for 2571, 2560 and then 2540 levels. Take your positions accordingly. Let's move to silver. On the hourly charts is showing a moderate recovery here. It is still staying bearish, but what I can see here is, after this big retracement candle, it is just confining its movement here. I will recommend you to buy if you see it is staying above 2950 levels. When you see the lower price above 2950, you can expect another bullish move can be expected here, where 2980 can be there as the next targets. Now 2980 $30 levels are going to be the most critical resistance for silver on the upside. Look at the movement, the drop, sideways movement, another round of drop, and it is possible that once it trades below 2920, we can look forward to a greater decline as well. Moving averages are trading with divergence, is staying bearish here. Stock is coming out of the oversold zone. MACD has traded bearish, it has hit the lows here. I will wait for a crossover. RSI is still staying oversold. Coming to look at the 2-hour charts here, drop, sideways movement, and then again a bigger decline. And it is what we are seeing here, that there is still a possibility of a little retracement. How high? See, if it breaks beyond 2980, you can look forward to the next move towards 30-20, which is going to be the strongest resistance. And we know that now, for silver to confirm a reversal, it has to break beyond 30-50, 30-60 zone, which appears to be a difficult target. Stock oversold, MACD is still bearish, RSI oversold here. Indicators have come towards an oversold zone, which calls for it to recover a little here. On the 3-hour chart, similar observation. See, when it diverges from the 20 period, it tries to converge. Wait for the moving average to come down and then move towards the moving average. This is how it trades. So a possible sideways movement in silver can be expected for a little while, and it is possible that 2980-30 can also be seen here. If you look at the stock this is extremely oversold. The MACD is bearish, the RSI is extremely oversold. Coming to the 4, the observation is more or less same. See, it has shown a bottoming here, and then it is trying to recover. Very important, if either for silver to trade below 2920 or trade above 2950-60. As long as this zone is respected, we have to be careful here with the buys or the sells. And if you look at the movement here, very simple, it is just trying to confine its movement within this channel. The highs of the channel now are towards 30-20 zone, and it is possible that it can recover a little here. The moving averages are trading with divergence and bearishness looking downwards. Stock extremely oversold, MACD extremely bearish here, and it is almost at the lows, where it is consolidated a while before bouncing back. So it has come down to the same zone. I will watch out how it behaves at around 2920 levels. RSI is also extremely oversold. Coming to the day, on the daily chart, similar observation. Look at the formation drop, sideways movement drop. Trading in this channel, it is very important for silver to come out of this. That is, we will wait for it to now trade below 2920, $29 levels, and if it trades below this, I think we are looking forward to a sharper correction, where 2860, 28 50 level should be the first target, and below that $28 levels can be seen. While if it starts to retrace, I think see, it is very very critical for silver to now break beyond 20 30 50 30 60 zone. That is the only confirmation of reversal. Stochastic extremely oversold, MACD bearish, RSI at bottom. So considering this, buy 2950. When you see the lower prices above 2950 2960 levels, buy it, expect it to move towards 2980 30 30 20, and then 30 40 30 50 levels should achieve. Beyond this, sky is the limit. I do not see that strong reversal today. On the downside, I will recommend you to sell only if you see silver trading below 2920, where you can expect 29 as the first target, 2860, 2840 as the next, and then $28 levels should get achieved. Trade accordingly. Like, share, subscribe, and comment. Join my mentorship batch, join my signals channel. Reach out to me for your queries. Join the free Telegram channel for live updates and the channel membership share on YouTube to support the effort. Thank you. Have a great profitable trading day. Thank you.